to do. I'm hot. Right, so we just arrived at Fowlers Bay. Trying to see if we can get into this property. This place is called Foxy's Flat. And look how far we are from the jetty. 1-2 houses away and then you're at the beach.
Hey. I can't figure this out. I don't know, someone help me.
Is that the only key?
Yeah. Oh. What do I do? Oh, cobwebs.
Very nice.
Oh no.
3 big couches.
Yeah, very nice.
Couple of nice fridges.
Oh, what's going on?
Let's check out these rooms. Got one, couple of bunk beds there.
Why?
And the main room
so
in
many
here.
Cobwebs?
Beautiful. Alright, so this is the generator. Oh, cricket set.
What is this?
You see the toilet,
Dad, look, your toilet's here.
bathroom.
I don't remember this.
Because this place is so remote, there's no power station here. And basically water is all rainwater. In here we've got a generator to basically power the house. What can you... Lights on? She's dead. She's dead. So this new wire stops here, and the old wire that comes out there is all cut. Hopefully it reaches.
Loud. Hey, there we go.
So that just drew some power. Yeah, fridges are on.
Great.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, let's unload the car and then let's clean it up.
So, update. The power went off. Jaden's in the toilet doing his shit and the light's off. Dad's trying to figure out what's going on because the light for this was on but now it's off.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets overloaded because we turned on the second vacuum cleaner with the lights on and the fridge is on. It just tripped.
We just found the biggest beetle you'll probably ever come across.
Hey, you guys gotta realize we're so far from everything. That's why everything here grows big, including the fish, right?
Oh,
So you gotta expect you get big beetles like that too. Yeah.
Yeah, pick it up.
Stop! What?
Dad, just pick it up. It's not gonna bite.
No, it's got a spiky thing on the back of him, man. Why's the music? B-boy's creating a loop knot for his whiting rig.
Stuff make on this bench with the stone.
They're both jumping onto the sand dunes up there. Silhouette, you can just see a silhouette of 2 boys jumping around.
Oh gosh, yep, that's our boys.
So dinner tonight is gyros, pre-marinated at home.
Thanks.
And a bit of wrap and veggies and mayonnaise.
Thanks, Claire and Dad.
Oh, that looks good. Cucumber, tomatoes.
I don't want to be annoying, Dad, but can you fold it for me?
Dad, look what happened to mine, man. How drag is that? I was twisting it up and out of nowhere my fingers just get burnt.
Oh. So it still tastes the same. We're gonna start walking off that dinner and we're going up to the sand dunes just around the corner.
Look how far I can throw this. Big. Bro, my toe's broken.
Like for every 3 steps, I'm going backwards for 2. Look at the view though.
Yeah, look at that view.
Move, Jay.
really cold.
Okay, Claire's trying that dessert for the first time. Only because Mum's not here. It's a windy Fowlers Bay jetty. Is it like that? Jaden with the first one for the trip.
That's huge.
That is massive. I want to see what the biggest one is that we get all weekend.
Oh man.
So registering the first one. J20.
26.
25. 26. No. That moon looks wicked. I'll come have a look here, catch you the day, Jay. We've caught 2. Drop the goodness knows how many. They don't look like Tommies anymore. They look like a freaking, oh my god, almost like salmon, hey.
Oh my gosh. What?
Early morning wake up with B-Boy. Got a couple of Tommies, a couple of Trevallies. All on our own, which you can understand because it's cold and it's windy. But as they say, early bird catches the worm. Oh damn! Good job, bees!
Clear juice what you get from coming out fishing. Oh,
Yes.
dude, when I was
Oh
feeling
my.
it in, it was on my bone.
Not bad for a morning session. B-Boy and I got 3 fish each. We've got 2 Trevallies, 3 Tommies, and nice snow KBs. Hopefully, good start to a great day. So, bad start to the day this morning. The generator wouldn't start. It's our only source of power. So, looking at the manual, it suggests that the oil light or the oil levels are too low. So, we're off to the next town to get some engine oil. Well, the problem is it's a 2-hour round trip, but we've got to keep our food cold. So, hopefully, that fixes our problem.
Finally.
Check the lights, check the lights.
Hey, lights on.
Fridges.
Check.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yep.
Okay.
That's smooth. Go by the man himself, Brandon. You gonna
Better
measure it?
fresh, but we're gonna chuck it in the freezer.
You gonna measure it? 60 centimeters.
Just gonna go see Tom's little memorial here. I've never been. Tom's someone we met a few years ago, and yeah, kids really were drawn to him. Really nice man, very knowledgeable and wise. Shared a lot of wisdom and fishing around here. And spent his last days in Fowlers and became a bit of a local legend, really. You'd see him on his red scooter here in the afternoons where it's not too windy. He'll be fishing with his little dog Fred. In memory of Pom and Fred, turn your bloody light off. Woof woof. We deflated the tires to 16 psi. For some reason, it's reporting at 1.2, 1.1 with the pressure monitors. We're in sand mode, 4 high, and we've turned off traction control, which is that button there. So we should be ready to go. Yeah, that's right.
Sounds nice today.
That was the main thing.
What do you think about that, Dad?
Okay, my heart's beating really fast. First time the Ranger's been off-road, so I didn't know what to expect with 20-inch wheels and road tires.
Bolding road tires.
Yeah, far out.
I don't think we stopped to record that, otherwise we might get it.
I don't know what to expect there.
We're still on track, by the way.
Can I grab my drink?
That'd be a good shot.
Man, there's no tracks anywhere, and it's like super loose on top of the sand.
Because I think it's to the right there. Do you want to go walk?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Oh, sorry, the tires aren't suited for this. Because it's road tires versus the Raptor. The Raptor had all-terrains. The Pajero had mud tires. So Jaden's just checking the track here because it's so loose over here. I've really had to power through it. And the last thing you want to do is get stuck in a bowl. You know, with no momentum. There's no.
Oh, Dad, the bucket's tipped over, the white and black bucket.
Oh shit, that's got bait in there.
Oh, the bait's tipped out.
Oh. Had the squid everywhere. Lucky there wasn't too much juice. Yeah? This is good, this is good. Hey?
Look at the way to go. We're supposed to go up that.
What about where you just came just now?
Yeah, no, we can probably go there, but there's no tracks the way that we went.
So we want to get over there. The headland around Fowlers Bay has got a bit of a four-wheel drive track, and one of the ledges has a seal colony you can fish off. It's pretty nice. The problem is all this track changes every year, so it's different every time.
We're joining up with that orange track. Do you want to go orange or brown? Brown was the track on the right.
Fuck, we need to go. No, we don't want brown. That's Scott's Beach.
Keep going straight.
Okay, cool.
Once we know the line, it's fine.
What the? Oh man. Pinstripes.
No, I think it should be okay.
Okay. I just hate the sound.
So if it says fish here.
Oh, seals.
Every car we've owned has been here, and we've taken a photo in this very position.
Dad, what if you caught a sea lion, Dad?
I saw a dark spot here before, but too far away.
Oh!
Let's go right here, right in front. You get a Jay? Huh? Yeah. You see them darting?
Oh. Oh, both boys.
Well done. Left, Jay. Use the back. Careful as you get close to the rocks, okay?
Careful, Jay.
You came home. Four-way hook up.
Oh my.
Four-way. Oh, sick. People, where are you? Here, Jay, I'll help you in a sec. Your line won't lift.
No, mine fell off.
Oh, yeah. I'm on. Grab underneath. School.
Oh, fuck.
Landed. B-boy, come here, Bees.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
B-boy.
Go B, go Jay!
Oh,
I think 7 break my line. Can we get it, Dad?
Yeah.
on the rock. Go shake it up. Okay, shake it.
Yeah.
Finally. Yes, sister. Yeah, Jaden.
Go B.
They are everywhere. Okay, clear. You gotta make sure that. There you go, clear. Keep going. Angle your line I just made it home. I'm exhausted. I'm sure the kids are as well. We spent about 3 or 4 hours in the water just now, and you forget with that draining sun how much it actually sucks the life out of you. It's so hot. But then when you're busy catching the salmon and chasing the school of salmon, that was good fun. Anyway, I'm going to freshen up. Hopefully we can get a fish out tonight. Here we are at the jetty. We're giving it one last go. Hopefully we can find some Tommies tonight. Bring some home for the family and that's it. Oh, here you go. I got light from my phone.
I see that's 26.
26. 27, dude. Nice.
27 was that.
Good job. B-boy's on the board. It took you a while, but...
God.
And we're off. See you later, Fowlers Bay. Thanks for the good times and memories.
I owe the bugs, babe.